students, I hope you are doing well. Students, today I'll explain the grammar glee portion from your first chapter, that is the clever jackal. So the first topic of the grammar glee is kinds of sentences. Children, before I start with the kinds of sentences, let me tell you that what is a sentence. So collection of words in a systematic order that makes meaning or that makes sense refers to a sentence. And children, there are basically four kinds of sentences. The first is statement, the second is question, the third is request or command, and the fourth is exclamation. So I'll be explaining all the four kinds of sentences in detail. So the first one, that is statement. Children, statements are also called as assertive sentences, and it is also called as declarative sentence. And so what do you understand by assertive, declarative, or simply statements? So they are merely simple statements beginning with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. एक सिंपल सा स्टेटमेंट है, कोई सिंपल सा सेंटेंस है, कोई भी सिंपल सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज़ रेनिंग टुडे, इट इज़ रेनिंग नाउ, द वेदर इज़ हॉट. नॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस, सिंपल सेंटेंसेस जो भी होते हैं वो सारे के सारे असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस कहलाते हैं. सेकेंड, वी हैव इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. दिस इज़ रियली वेरी सिंपल. द सेंटेंसेस दैट आस्क क्वेश्चंस आर कॉल्ड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. So whatever sentences means whichever sentence asks questions, जो भी sentence में questions होते हैं, जो question पूछते हैं, वैसे sentence को हम लोग बोलते हैं interrogative sentence. For example, it may be any question. How are you? What is your name? How much you have completed? Did you go to the park yesterday? Any kind of sentence, any kind of question that will come under interrogative sentences. So this was the second type. Let's come to the third kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. Children, you have read exclamatory sentences or exclamatory mark in your previous class, that is in class 3. So what do you understand by exclamatory or exclamation? Children, exclamatory sentences or exclamation, they express sudden feelings or sudden emotions. It may be feelings of happiness or it may be feeling of sadness, anger, shock, surprise. So all these sudden feelings, they are called as exclamation or interjection. And whenever we are framing any exclamatory sentence, we put an exclamatory mark. Do you know how we put an exclamatory mark? This is an exclamatory mark, this line and a dot, this is called exclamatory mark. For example, wow, you have won the match. Alas, he is no more. Means any kind of sentence that expresses sudden feeling or emotion. And please remember, the emotion or feeling may be of happiness, sadness, anger, shock, surprise, any emotion. So this is the third kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. Now let's come to the fourth one and the last type of sentence, that is imperative sentences. Now, what do you understand by imperative sentences? Children, imperative sentences make requests, give orders, make suggestions और give advice. तो जो भी sentences में request, आप किसी से request करते हो कोई काम करने के लिए, आप किसी को order देते हो, आप किसी को advice देते हो या suggestion देते हो, तो वो सारे sentences कहलाते हैं imperative sentence. For example, you must ओबे ट्रैफिक रूल्स. आप किसी को एडवाइस दे रहे हो कि आप एडवाइस दे रहे हो या आप ऑर्डर दे रहे हो. स्टॉप टॉकिंग, आप ऑर्डर कर रहे हो टू स्टॉप टॉकिंग. सो ये जितने भी सेंटेंसेस होते हैं इस टाइप के, दे कम अंडर इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो दीज आर द फोर टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस that I have explained you just now. Now we have an exercise based on the kinds of sentences. Let us see the first sentence. There are 8 sentences given and you have to identify the kind of sentence. See, the first question is write the kind of sentence against each of the following. So there are 8 sentences given and you have to identify the kind of sentence. First one, don't disturb me. It's a kind of order. Don't disturb me. सो जितने भी ऑर्डर्स होते हैं वो किस में आते हैं, वो आते हैं इम्परेटिव सेंटेंसेस में. सो यू हैव टू राइट इम्परेटिव, IMPERATIVE. Since I don't have enough space, so I'm writing it like this. But you have to write in good handwriting in your book. Next, won't you come to school? See, a question mark is there. Whenever any question mark is there, that means it is an interrogative sentence. So the second will be interrogative, or you can write question also. Interrogatives are also called as questions. You can write questions also. Question. Next, third, it is raining outside. It is merely a simple sentence or statements. यहाँ पे आप ना ऑर्डर दे रहे हो, ना क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, ना एडवाइस किसी को दे रहे हो, ना आपकी कोई सडन फीलिंग है ये. इट इज़ मियरली अ सिंपल स्टेटमेंट और सेंटेंस. सो द थर्ड विल बी statements, or statements are also called as assertive sentences. Statement. Fourth, never tell a lie. आप किसी को एडवाइस दे रहे हो या आप किसी को एक सजेस्ट कर रहे हो, नेवर टेल अ लाई, ये होगा आपका इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस. Imperative. Fifth, oh, I have hurt myself. See, an exclamatory mark is there. Oh, I have hurt myself. So this will be exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. Sixth, put the books on the table. Put the books on the table means you are giving an order. So it will be imperative. Next, seventh, the earth revolves around the sun. इस सेंटेंस में आप ना किसी को ऑर्डर दे रहे हो, ना आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, ना ही ये कोई सडन फीलिंग. इट इज़ मियरली अ सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. तो इट विल बी, सेवेंथ विल बी स्टेटमेंट्स. STATEMENT. Statement. Last one. Where is my new dress? You are asking a question and question mark is also there. So it will be question. You can write question or you can write interrogative sentence. You can write any of them, any of the one. So I think question number A is clear of Grammarly, and I'll be discussing the next question, next exercise in the next video. Till then, please study properly, don't waste your time, eat good food, eat green vegetables, and be happy, stay happy. Thank you so much. Have a great day.